Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make juggy and jojo. This is those are the things that you'll need. You need rice, of course. This is the jonjon, it's mushrooms, dried mushrooms. And you'll need thyme, corn oil, salt, lima beans, shallots, onions, clove, and garlic. We have garlic right here. And what you need to do is cut those onions like in slice. This is like this, and the scallions, and also the garlic. Then we're gonna fry that and add some shrimps, and those are called tritri. And then we're gonna fry them and add the scallions and onions and garlic. Then put some water and put a little bit of water. Like if we have 1 cup of rice, then about 2 cups of water. And also actually 1 cup of water and 1 cup of we're gonna boil the mushroom. And when we boil it, it gives a nicer color, and because you need the water to put in the rice. So this will conclude this video, and on the next one I will show you the process. Thank you.